Hi there, students. Profligate. Okay, profligate can be an adjective. It could also be a noun, a person. And then we have the adverb profligately. So profligate means extreme extravagance, wasting resources, using very large amounts of something wastefully. The profligate spending of the government left the country bankrupt, wasteful, prodigal. The profligate use of water by industry has led to this drought. His profligate spending led to bankruptcy, particularly spending money, profligate. We can also use profligate to mean a person who is a degenerate, debauched, somebody with shameless immorality, a profligate lifestyle, wine, women and song. So a person unrestrained by conventional morality. Now, when you use this to describe a person, it's very probable that both meanings apply at the same time. Both his spending and love life were profligate. He was a profligate. So remember, profligate is a negative critical word. We need to reduce society's profligate use of energy. So, profligate, extravagant, squandering, reckless, wasteful, our profligate use of energy. And then we can use profligate meaning depraved, degenerated, immoral, promiscuous, wanton. Many people viewed his profligate life as an example to be copied. He was a drunkard and a profligate. He drank profligately. He spent money profligately. He used women profligately. So he tried to be profligate in everything that he did. So profligate, to do a lot of something, to be very wasteful in it, or to be a degenerate. So, next question, formality. I'd probably give this 7.5 in formality. This semi-formal writing, an essay, a formal document sounds great. But I think in an informal conversation, wasteful spending to squander money, a degenerate person, wasteful and degenerate. And then the next question is the origin. Well, in Latin we have a word profligatus, meaning wretched or abandoned. Pro, forward, and fingere, to hit, to strike. So, profligate, using wastefully huge amounts of resources, or living in a degenerate and debauched way. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Profligate.